How to fix Roblox application not working on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox application not working on Android. To resolve issues with Roblox app not working on Android, you can follow these steps. First of all, make sure you are connected to the strong internet connection. You may also switch between mobile data to check if that solves your problem. Also, you need to ensure that your Roblox application is up to date. To check that, you need to open your Play Store of your device and here at the bottom right, tap on the search icon and there search for Roblox. Once you search for the Roblox, you will be presented with the search results. Here tap on this Roblox icon and once you reach inside it, here look for any update icon. If you found update icon, you will need to tap on it and it will start updating your application. Now if your application is already up to date, you can go to the device settings to clear the cache. For that, open your device settings and once you open the settings page, here scroll down to find application or apps option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it and you will be taken to this page where you will be able to find various applications installed on your device. From here, you will need to find Roblox. Once you find the Roblox application, here you need to tap on it to open it and inside it, here look for storage option. Tap on the storage option and here at the bottom right, you will be able to see clear cache option. Tap on clear cache and now this will remove all your cache. At the right side, you will also be able to see clear data option. You can tap on this clear data to remove any corrupted files that may be causing issues. Now here tap on delete to confirm. After doing that, you can simply restart your mobile device and check if the issue still persists. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you will need to uninstall and reinstall the application on your device. Open your Play Store of your device, here search for Roblox and once you find the Roblox, tap on it to open it. Inside it, you'll be able to see the uninstall button. Go ahead and tap on uninstall and confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. By doing so, the app will get installed from your device. After it is installed successfully, again tap on this install button in order to install it again. Now after reinstalling it on your device, then use your login credentials in order to log into your account. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that might be causing issue. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to fix Roblox not working on Android devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.